This Century 21 Fountain Realty LLC property video is presented by Luanne Brennan. Cozy 3-bedroom home, 3-bedroom septic, with open floor plan and lovely wood-burning stone fireplace. The kitchen has quartz countertops with a breakfast bar. An additional room with a bay window just off the kitchen can be used as a small eating area and offers a wet bar with cabinets. A sunroom just off the living area overlooks a nice level backyard that has access to the deck. A storage shed also conveys with the property. The side entry garage has loads of cabinets for extra storage. Encapsulated crawl space. Level lot. For more information, review the details below or contact Luanne Brennan at 931-707-2100.